back to my channel. If you're new here, if this is the first time you're seeing my face, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of my channel. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So today I am just prepping or preparing some sweet potato pies. And yes, I know it's the middle of December, but these are going to be baked and put in the freezer. That way I don't have to do this for Christmas, okay? And I've already did the pumpkin pie mixture, but I'm going to show you like the sweet potato pies. So I already boiled my potatoes already, as you can see. I do boil my potatoes with the skin on. So I'm just gonna like, the skin is gonna come off really, really easy. Some people do, you know, cut their, peel their potatoes before they go in the, you know, before they boil them. But I don't, because it comes off super easy. Super, super easy. And fast. So as you can see, it's just coming off. So I just wanted to show you all the first one. And then I'm going to take it off the other ones, and then I'll be back. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I got all of the skin off of the potatoes. So I put a whole stick of butter, because my potatoes were a little bit warm. So I put a whole stick of butter in a porcelain bowl and microwave for it to melt. So I put that in here. Now I'm just going to mash up the potatoes. Just to make sure everything is good, that it has a good consistency. I was going to go live with this video, but because it was so late, I decided just to do a recording. I like going live because it saves me a lot of time and a lot of not having to edit videos. But so okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I am definitely going to go ahead and put one more stick of butter in the microwave. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for like 30 minutes and then, or 30 seconds. And then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I am about to put like 6 eggs in here. I used to always wonder when I was like a little girl why you needed so many eggs in it, but it's to hold the pie together. Because truth be told, that's really all you have holding the pie together is the eggs. I'm being very careful to make sure no shells get in my mixture. I said 6. I got one more egg in this thing. So I'm just going to use the extra egg. It ain't going to hurt nothing. Okay. If anything, it'll just ensure that it's going to be really put together really nicely. If I have a little bit too much mixture, I don't know, I might make like some pumpkin squares or something. Okay. So it's mashed up pretty well. Now I'm about to add, you know, sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon and nutmeg to it, and milk. Now some people use canned milk. I use regular milk. I've never used evaporated milk. And I'm one of those people that I kind of eye stuff and then I'll taste it to see what it tastes like, to make sure it's got enough, you know, flavor and whatnot. And then if it doesn't have enough flavor, I will add more. And then I'll you know, taste it again. And then I pretty much keep doing it like that until I like what it tastes like. I'm only going to put a little bit of brown sugar in it. No, I use regular milk. I've never used condensed milk in my pies. And they always come out amazing. So people, you know, they do what they do. But I don't. I've never used canned milk before. The only time I use canned milk is if I'm making like a caramel icing or something like that. But other than that, I use it. I use regular milk. But, you know, to each his own. Whatever people like to do is on them. But I'm going to mix this up and then I'll be back. Okay. It is almost done, y'all. I'm just gonna mix this up for like another minute, and then it should be good. I'm only planning to make like 4 pies, so I might end up just, I don't know, making like a potato bread or something with the leftovers. I bought 2 deep dish and 2 regular pie shells. So, and I think I have too much mixture. unless I went back to the store tomorrow. Okay, so this is good. Okay. This is good. I know I'm one of those cooks that I kind of like eye stuff, and then I'll taste it. And then if I think it needs, you know, something else, I'll add something else. But yeah, I think this is good. So now all I have to do is get my my pie shells and add this potato mixture to the pie crust. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I did put 2 on, but I'm about to pour these other 2 pies up. But I'm gonna bake these on 375. So let's see. I'm gonna put them on for 45 minutes, and we'll just see how it goes. And then this, I'm going to pour this up. So let me see. One second, y'all. Okay. Okay. So that one is poured up. This one is a deep dish. So uh-oh. Oh, y'all can't see. I was really kind of concerned for a second. Sorry. I know my bowl is covering up the camera. My bad. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, I was really concerned for a second because I thought that that I had too much sweet potato pie mixture, but My hands are so sticky, but it kind of worked out. So I bought 2 traditional pie shells and 2 deep dishes. So I'll lift it up so you can see. This is the deep dish. And then this right here is the traditional. So I will definitely do like a short clip at the end of the video when they come out of the oven. What's in there now is 1 pumpkin pie and 1 potato pie. The way that you can tell the difference is because pumpkin pie, typically, the filling is a lot darker. I don't know if you ever paid attention, if you've ever baked a pumpkin pie before, if you have ever ate pumpkin pie before. But pumpkin pie, it's a little bit darker of a color. But I'm gonna come back and show you what that one looks like when it comes out of the oven. But yeah, I enjoyed doing this video for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll be back with a short clip when they come out of the oven. So talk to you all in a bit. Hey guys, so I thought I would come back to show you the end results of the pies. So I will be uploading this soon once I edit the video. I hope you like this video. If so, leave your girl a comment, a like, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.